This is the historic Cannington Shore No. 7 bottle shop, located in St Helens in the UK. And this is its story. Built in 1885 and opened in 1886, it was considered state-of-the-art and one of the first modern generation of regenerator tank furnaces. The furnace was invented and patented by Frederick Siemens in 1856, and the same model is still used to this very day. Bottle shops were very unique structures. They were not simply a building in which to house a furnace. They were glass-making engines. The bottle shop furnace was active from its opening in 1886 until 1918, at which point it ceased to be an active furnace. It was repurposed and became the work stores for what was by then the largest bottle works in Britain, and, it was claimed, the world. During World War II, the bottle shop would see active service as an air raid shelter, protecting workers and local residents from the bombing runs by the German Luftwaffe. The bottle shop has been listed in the Victorian Society's 2017 Endangered Buildings list. In recent years it has found itself buried and forgotten about at the side of a Tesco car park, surrounded by huge trees and undergrowth. In 1982, the bottle shop was saved from demolition and designated as a scheduled monument and Grade 2 listed structure. In 2008, there was a planning application submitted for the superstore and the other developments that have since been built on the huge swathe of land surrounding the bottle shop, including the St Helens Rugby League Stadium. The development of the land has seen the existence of the bottle shop effectively ignored. The only proposal was to erect a new fence around what was left of the historic monument, with no further plans other than just to let it sit there and rot away. The important architectural and historical significance of the bottle shop is difficult to dispute, but yet it has found itself abandoned, neglected, and derelict for many, many years. There is absolutely no doubt that the bottle shop deserves so much better than the way it has been treated over the decades since its closure and abandonment. Such a historic and architecturally important building should be preserved as a reminder of St Helens' industrial heritage. The Cannington Shore No. 7 bottle shop is a unique time capsule to a bygone age of glass making. It is considered to be the best surviving intact example of a late 19th century bottle shop anywhere in the world. In 2015, a Friends group was formed, and in 2018 the Cannington Shore Preservation Trust (CIC) was established. Funds were secured from the AHF to carry out feasibility studies, to see if what remained of the building could be saved, and maybe once again repurposed for a modern age. In 2021, the Trust was successful in becoming part of the St Helens investment plan and subsequently received £1.3 million to carry out the first phase of works from the UK government. Planning permission was granted to begin the works to stabilise and repair the brickwork of the bottle shop to allow for the future safe interaction and use, for events and public use. These works commenced in September 2024 and can be seen in this video by all the framework replacing what would have been the old wooden beams to support the roof. Phase 1 is due for completion in the middle of 2025. By the time the works are due complete, the main structure will have been stabilized and the public will be able to interact with the structure, now that it will have been made safe by the new supports and roof beams. Going forward into Phase 2 of the future plans for the No. 7 bottle shop, its history, its social heritage, will be able to be told in an innovative and interactive way, whilst ensuring that the building is not constrained to a use akin to a museum. The building will have the ability to host things such as events, conferences, markets, productions, and other community work. There will be amenities such as a cafe and gift shop to enhance the visitor experience. The plans include the installation of a hydrogen-powered combined heat and power unit. If successful, this would be a unique return to cutting-edge technology for a building that it itself was at the forefront of technology and innovation so many years ago. If you enjoyed this video and like our new way of storytelling, then leave us a comment. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any ideas of places you'd like us to visit with the drone and want to know that story, then please let us know. And we will see you in the next one.